Hi, my name is Alik and I'm from Kuala Lumpur. Basically, I've been climbing since 1992-93 when I finished high school and been climbing ever since.
My name is Nana Al-Halik. I am a fitness model and also a fitness motivator. As for now, I'm more involved in helping individuals to lose fat. I am currently at Damai Batu Cave, about 5 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur. It's really easy to get here. Spacious parking, the facilities is really good. They have toilet, and if you have kids, there's playground as well for climbers who come here with the kids.
Basically, in Malaysia, the climbing started in Batu Caves. This is where the climbing started. The whole scene started. Back then, we have about 3 to 4 walls. Walls is like what you can see right now. So basically, around Batu Cave itself, we have about 3 to 4. This place was developed about, I think, by mid of 2000, like fully developed, where the state government funded to cover the whole place and make it look like a park so people can come. The wall itself stands out about 120 meters up. We have base jumpers coming over to do their base jumping here, and then climbers to climb up. So we have a route that goes as short as 10 meters high and as high as maybe about 60 meters up. The good thing about this place is it's meant for beginners and intermediate. So this is like the best place for them to learn on how to clip in, how to do lead climbing, how to do top roping, how to do belaying and stuff.
Climbing to me is a lifestyle, and I find it very zen as well. Very zen, because it's like dancing and it's like how you are doing yoga. It's like you and the wall, and you just think about that. You don't think about anything else. So it's very interesting. At the same time, it gives me the adrenaline rush that I like.
Climbing defines me. It's like one of the sports that you can actually challenge yourself and know your limit, and you can always push further, and there's no full stop. I mean, you just can't stop. There's no ending to it.
Okay, for you climbers out there, if you are in Malaysia or if you plan to come to Malaysia, do visit climb.my or go get yourself Climb Malaysia guidebook to know more information about where to climb, the hot spots, and know the climbers community.